Today I want to share with you a secret that big companies would rather keep hidden because it allows you to make your own soap at home at a very low cost. We will be preparing a recipe that requires only 1 bar of glycerin soap weighing 180 grams. I am using this brand here, but honestly you can choose whichever type of soap you already have at home. The very first step in this process is to grate the entire bar into fine pieces. If you are enjoying this type of practical household content, please give the video a like, share it with friends and family, and if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and activate the bell so you never miss our tips. This kind of soap is very soft, which makes it easy to grate, so the preparation does not take long at all. Soon I will return with the full bar already grated and ready to use. Once the bar has been fully grated, it should have the appearance of soft flakes. Make sure to collect even the smallest leftovers stuck to the grater, because in this recipe we want to take advantage of every bit without wasting anything. Now that the soap is well prepared, the next step is to add 600 milliliters of clean water. It is important to respect these measurements carefully to ensure the recipe works as expected. For a bar weighing 180 grams, 600 milliliters of water is the perfect proportion. To this, we will add 400 milliliters of plain crystal sugar, the same sugar you already keep in your kitchen. Mix these ingredients together very well. And while you stir, I would love it if you leave a comment telling me from which country or city you are watching. It is amazing for me to see how far the videos from our home corner channel are reaching. If you want to save gas, you can let this mixture rest for about 2 hours, allowing the soap to dissolve naturally in the water. However, if you want to prepare it more quickly, you can place the pan on the stove over low heat. Stir gently until the soap has melted completely, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Once the mixture is fully dissolved, take it off the heat immediately. The following step is to incorporate the alcohol. I am using this kind of alcohol, but feel free to use the type you have available in your home. Measure out 200 milliliters and add it directly to the warm solution. If you are still here watching the video, leave me a comment so I know you enjoy recipes like this, and I can bring you more in the future. Stir the alcohol into the mixture until everything is uniform. After this, let it cool slightly until it reaches a lukewarm temperature. When the mixture has cooled down a little, we will prepare the salt solution. It is important not to add the salt directly to the soap mixture because it will not dissolve properly. Instead, take 50 milliliters of water at room temperature and add 1 spoonful of salt. Stir until the salt is fully dissolved, creating the brine that we need. Many viewers ask me to demonstrate how to make bar soap step by step, so here it is in complete detail. The brine works both as a thickener and as a preservative. Pour it into the mixture while it is still warm, stirring continuously so that the texture begins to thicken evenly. Since I do not have professional soap molds at home, I like to reuse small containers such as butter cups and jars. You can use whatever you have available, adjusting the size as you prefer. Smaller bars are often more practical, and they even make great little gifts. With the quantity of ingredients in this recipe, you'll be able to produce around 7 or 8 bars of soap. Leave them to rest for approximately 3 hours until they harden completely. Once the soap is set, you will be impressed by the result. The bars are solid, compact, and durable. To preserve them and avoid shrinking, wrap each bar carefully in plastic film, which helps maintain them for a long time. Notice how beautiful and smooth they look. I will also show you how they foam by testing one with a sponge. As you will see, it lathers abundantly and works just as well as store-bought options. This recipe is fantastic for those who want to produce a generous amount of soap with very little money. To recap the process, starting with just 1 bar of 180 grams of soap, we added 600 milliliters of water, 400 milliliters of sugar, 200 milliliters of alcohol, and finally a brine made with 1 spoonful of salt dissolved in 50 milliliters of water. This gave us 8 small but firm bars of homemade soap. Try this recipe in your home and then tell me in the comments how it turned out for you. I hope this economical and creative tip was helpful. A warm hug to all of you. May God bless you, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Remember to wrap the bars in plastic film so they remain strong, well preserved, and ready for use.